Welcome, gamers, to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly gaming peripherals. You've come to the right place if you're searching for an affordable wireless gaming mouse that doesn't compromise performance. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 best budget wireless gaming mouse to elevate your gameplay without emptying your wallet. From sleek designs to lightning-fast responsiveness, these mouse are the unsung heroes of budget gaming. So grab your favorite energy drink, adjust your RGB lighting, and let's jump right in. Our first look is at the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro, a well-known gaming peripheral brand. The DeathAdder V3 Pro is more than 25% lighter than its predecessor, making it one of the lightest ergonomic esports mouse ever created. Say goodbye to excess weight and drag during intense gaming sessions. Equipped with the Razer Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, this mouse delivers precise tracking up to 30,000 dpi. If you're sniping foes in an FPS or managing macros in an MMO, the DeathAdder V3 Pro has you covered. With 8 programmable controls and onboard memory. Developed in collaboration with esports pros, the DeathAdder's iconic shape ensures award-winning handling and comfort. Your hand will thank you. Experience the fastest wireless performance with the optional Razer HyperPulling wireless dongle. You'll notice the difference in accuracy and responsiveness. The wireless freedom comes with up to 90 hours of impressive battery life. Razer Synapse software allows you to fine-tune settings, create macros, and customize RGB lighting. Make it truly yours. The next budget-friendly wireless gaming mouse and our star player is none other than the Razer DeathAdder V2X HyperSpeed. The DeathAdder V2X boasts the same iconic shape trusted by over 15 million fans worldwide. With dual wireless connectivity options, you're free to choose your preferred mode. No more tangled cables. Equipped with the Razer 5G advanced optical sensor, this mouse delivers true 14,000 dpi sensitivity and flawless tracking. Say goodbye to spinouts. Powered by a single AA or AAA battery, the DeathAdder V2X can last up to 235 hours on HyperSpeed wireless or 615 hours on Bluetooth. Game on without interruptions. Take control with 7 programmable buttons, including 2 quick-access edge buttons. Set up macros, adjust DPI, and tailor the mouse to your playstyle using Razer Synapse. In FPS games, the DeathAdder V2X precise tracking and low latency make it a reliable companion for headshots and flick shots. MMO enthusiasts will appreciate the comfortable grip during long raid sessions, thanks to its ergonomic design. Personally, I've used the DeathAdder V2X for extended periods, and it's a joy. The shape fits perfectly, and the lightweight build ensures fatigue-free gaming. This mouse strikes a balance between performance, comfort, and affordability. If you're a casual gamer or a competitive player, this mouse deserves a spot in your setup. At number 3, we introducing the Logitech G Pro X SUPERLIGHT 2, a champion's choice in gaming peripherals. Crafted by Logitech, this mouse combines precision engineering with lightweight design. The SUPERLIGHT 2 features hybrid optical X mechanical switches, ensuring lightning-fast response times and satisfying clicks. With a 32,000 dpi sensor, this mouse delivers pixel-perfect accuracy for both casual and competitive gaming. Experience seamless wireless performance with up to a 2 kHz polling rate, eliminating lag and ensuring smooth gameplay. Enjoy up to 95 hours of uninterrupted gaming on a single charge, making it ideal for marathon sessions. Logitech G Hub software allows you to fine-tune settings, assign macros, and personalize RGB lighting. Either you're dominating in FPS or conquering MMOs, its precise tracking and featherlight feel enhance your gameplay. During extended gaming sessions, the ergonomic design ensures comfort. Make the Logitech G Pro X SUPERLIGHT 2 your secret weapon for victory. Next up is the UtechSmart Venus Gaming Mouse, a versatile choice for both casual and competitive players. The UtechSmart Venus boasts an impressive 16,400 DPI sensitivity. Either you're sniping in an FPS or managing your inventory in an MMO, this mouse adapts to your playstyle. With 16 programmable buttons, you can map macros, spells, or inventory shortcuts. It's like having a mini command center at your fingertips. Equipped with a high-precision Avaco sensor, this mouse ensures accurate tracking even during intense gaming sessions. Customize the mouse's lighting to match your setup. Its responsive sensor and customizable buttons make it a reliable companion for headshots and quick reflexes. The textured grip ensures a secure hold even in sweaty moments. It offers stable 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity and a long-lasting battery, perfect for marathon gaming sessions. UtechSmart provides intuitive software for tweaking settings, creating macros, and fine-tuning sensitivity. Personalize your mouse to match your playstyle. The UtechSmart Venus Gaming Mouse delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. If you're a budget-conscious gamer or a seasoned pro, this mouse deserves a spot on your desk. At last, I introduced the mouse as the HyperX Pulsefire Haste wireless gaming mouse. It's part of the HyperX lineup, known for quality gaming peripherals. Weight just 61 grams, this mouse won't slow you down during intense gaming sessions. Enjoy the freedom of wireless gaming with a 2.4 GHz connection. The HyperX 26K sensor ensures precise tracking up to 16,000 DPI. 6 programmable buttons allow you to tailor the mouse to your playstyle. The hexagonal shell provides ventilation and airflow, keeping your hand cool. The Pulsefire Haste Wireless performs exceptionally well across different game genres, including FPS and MMO games. Its 1 millisecond report rate and low latency 2.4 GHz signal ensure responsive gameplay. During extended gaming sessions, the lightweight design and ergonomic shape keep you comfortable. The low-friction skates allow smooth movement across your mousepad. With up to 100 hours of battery life, you won't need to worry about frequent recharging. Charge it once, and you're good to go for days. Use the HyperX software to customize button assignments, DPI settings, and lighting effects. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate lineup of budget-friendly wireless gaming mouse. Even if you're a casual gamer or a seasoned pro, these mice offer exceptional value for your hard-earned cash. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic gaming content.